All right, you guys. So you need to be patient with this process. So I'm going to teach you just how to do what's called synthetic division. And all I'm doing is I'm taking this first polynomial. Yes, I know it's very long, a little intimidating, and I'm dividing it by this polynomial. All I want you to focus on is how I set up the problem and then how I complete the problem. And then as I post more videos, I'll talk about more as to why this process is important and why we need to know how to do it. All right. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the coefficients of the first polynomial. So, every number that's in front of a variable and including the last value. All right. So, I have 1, 3, -79, 67, -24, -28. Then off to the side, I'm going to take the opposite of the value that's here in this parentheses. So the value here is -7, and so I'm going to take 7. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a technique that is called synthetic division. And basically, you're just multiplying and then you're adding. So it's very simple. So I'm going to drop the 1 down. From here, I'm now going to multiply 7 times 1. So 7 times 1, 7. I'm going to put my answer there. Now I'm going to add 3 plus 7, which is 10. I'm going to repeat that process. Now I'm going to take 7 times 10, 70. Now I'm going to add -79 plus 70 is -9. Now I'm going to take 7 times -9, -63. Now I'm going to add 67 plus -63, 4. Now I'm going to take 7, I'm going to multiply it by 4. I get 28. And now I'm going to add -24 plus 28, which is 4. Then I'm going to take 7 times 4, which is 28. I'm going to add, and I'm going to get 0. All right, so what I have now is I have my answer, and it doesn't look like it, but this is how I teach my students. I teach them to fill in what they need backwards. Okay, so this last term right here is the remainder, because remember, when you divide, you can have a remainder. So my remainder is 0. All right, now this answer is a polynomial, and I need to set it up. So this last term is my number, and then my next term, this is x, then this is x squared, this is x to the third, this is x to the fourth. So my answer, when I take this polynomial and divide by this polynomial, is x to the fourth plus 10x to the third minus 9x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, I will post another video, but for right now, I would recommend you re-watch this video and just see how I'm doing the process of walking you through each step and then how I worked backwards to create my answers. Because my next videos are going to talk about the different variations of this problem.